大家好，我係阿木，歡迎返到嚟無端端廣東話。今日我哋繼續講分享二，你叫我瑪麗得啦。今日係第5部分 Part 5，我哋會做下聆聽 listening。喺做聆聽之前，我哋溫習一下。Let's do some revision before we're doing the listening exercise. 今日我哋默書 We are going to do dictation. If you watch last videos, you may write the Chinese character. If you don't, just write down the 粵拼 OK? 第一題有第二題都第三題點樣第四題得啦第五題想第六題佢哋都冇中文名OK, I repeat. 第一題有第二題都第三題點樣第四題得啦第五題想第六題佢哋都冇中文名 OK 得唔得？ Let's check the answer 我哋對答案第一題有嘅粵拼係 JAU 同5點樣寫啊？橫撇直撇橫直勾橫有即係咩啊？ What is the meaning of 有？ To have, right? OK 第二題都粵拼係 DOU 同橫點樣寫呢？橫直橫撇直橫直橫撇彎勾直點解啊？ Two meanings, right? The first one is to or also. The second one is emphasizing or. 第三題點樣粵拼係 DIM second tone JOENG second tone 點樣寫啊？直橫直點點橫點 This part is break, right? And then 直橫直And then 樣 is wood radical, right? So it is 橫直撇捺點點橫直橫點橫直勾橫撇點捺 right? 第四題得啦 It is an expression means it is okay that something 粵拼係 DAK 同1 and then LAA 同3點樣寫呢？得 is double human radical, right? 撇直 and then 直橫直 橫橫，橫橫直勾點。Right? And then la is a Cantonese word, so it is mouth radical. 直橫直橫，橫直橫直橫，直撇捺直直勾。Right? 第五題想，粵拼係 SOENG 同 to， 寫法係 would 橫直撇捺 and then I 直橫直橫橫橫 and then a heart 點彎勾點點。What does it mean? It means want to or would like to。 得唔得？ OK， 第六題 is a sentence, right? 佢哋都冇中文名。佢記唔記得佢粵拼係咩？KEOI 同 5 right？ 點樣寫啊？撇直橫直橫直橫橫。地粵拼係 DEI 同6 right？ It is a mouth radical 直橫直橫 and then 橫直橫橫折直直彎勾 right？ 都係 DOU 同1橫直橫撇直橫直橫橫橫撇彎勾直。冇 is similar to 有 right? But we just omit 2 horizontal strokes right here. So 冇 is MOU 同 5 and then how to write it? 橫撇直撇橫直勾。中文名 Chinese name, right? 中 is ZUNG 同1點樣寫呢？直橫直橫直 right? 文 MAN2 you can also read as 同4 right? 點樣寫啊？點橫撇捺。名 MENG 同2撇橫撇點直橫直橫。呢句點解啊？佢哋都冇中文名。佢哋係 they right? 都 it means two or also or all。冇 don't have。中文名 Chinese name。 So you can translate it as they don't have Chinese name too, or all of them don't have Chinese name, because 都 has 2 meanings, right? 好，我哋做下聆聽練習。Let's do some listening exercise。細心聆聽錄音內容，圈出正確選項。Listen carefully to the recordings and circles the correct options。我哋睇下題目。Let's read the question first。第一題，佢想我哋點樣叫佢？佢 is he, she, it, right? 想 is want。我哋 us。點樣 is how。叫 is to call, to address。佢 here is a her. His, her, okay? So, what does it mean? She wants us how to call her。跟我讀一次。佢想我哋點樣叫佢？ A. 莎莎 B. 阿莎 C. Sandy D. Sally。 Okay? Let's listen to the recording。 第一題，佢 佢冇中文名㗎，佢想我哋叫佢 Sally。第一題，佢冇中文名㗎，佢想我哋叫佢 Sally。The answer should be D. So let's look into the script. 佢冇中文名㗎，佢想我哋叫佢 Sally。佢 is he or she, right? 冇 don't have。中文名 Chinese name。加 is a fact, sentence final particles。佢想我哋叫佢 Sally。佢 she, right? 想 want to 我哋 us 叫佢 Sally to call her Sally. It means she doesn't have Chinese name. She wants us to call her Sally. 跟我讀一次，佢冇中文名㗎，佢想我哋叫佢 Sally。OK， 第二題，大家點樣叫我 ？A. 林家明 B. 明仔 C. 阿明 D. Jeff。 大家 everybody, right? 點樣 how 叫 to call, to address 我 me here. So how does everybody call me or named me? The first one 林家明, right? Easy. 仔 here do not have a meaning. It's just like a suffix, okay? Hong Kong people may name somebody younger than you or more junior than you with 仔 suffix 仔. If you are in a professional setting, if you call somebody 明仔, it will be not very appropriate. Usually it's talk with friends, then we will say 仔, okay? Because it is describing somebody is junior than you or younger than you, right? So in a professional setting or formal setting, it will be not appropriate. And then 阿明, last lesson, I told you 阿成, right? If this is a monosyllabic named. But sometimes, if this is disyllabic word or disyllabic named, but we just want to call him or her just by one word of his name, then people will add 阿 here and then become 阿明. Okay, let's listen to the recording. 第二題，我叫林家明，英文名係 Jeff， 大家叫我阿明啦。第二題，我叫林家明，英文名係 Jeff， 大家叫我阿明啦。What is the answer? 答案係咩啊？ It should be C. OK? 跟我讀一次。我叫林家明，英文名係 Jeff， 大家叫我阿明啦。Okay? So you may see this word, 英文名。In last lesson's revision part, actually we discussed this word. 英文 is English, 名 is name. So 英文名 is English name. In Hong Kong, usually people will have their Chinese name and also the English name directly translated from the Chinese name. And also, we will have a English name or nickname or preferred name, which is in English. Okay, like Jeff, Jason, Jack, something like that. 阿明 is the preferred name, okay? Because you may want somebody to call you like more closely. Then you may say 阿明。我叫林家明 It means my name is 林家明。英文名係 Jeff. English name is Jeff. 大家叫我阿明啦。Everybody call me 阿明啦。So what is this sentence final particles used for? Do you still remember this one? I said this one is very important because it changed the sentence type from statement or declarative sentence to request or suggestions. And I said, he or it has a friend. It is la. So la also functions the same. It changed the statements to requests or suggestions. So maybe this sentence is talking in front of a class or in front of different colleagues. And then you want somebody to call you 阿明, like more closely. Then you may say, 大家叫我阿明啦, means everybody can call me 阿明. So I suggest you to call me 阿明. Okay? 得唔得？ OK， 第三題，跟我讀一次。我點樣叫朴寶書 ？A. 寶書 B. 書仔 C. 阿朴 D. 寶寶 OK， so 我點樣叫朴寶書？我 is I or me, right? 點樣 is how. 叫 is to call. 朴寶書 is a name of our character. So the first one, 寶書, just a given name. And then B is 書仔. 書仔 is using one word of his given name. And then to add a suffix 仔 here. C is 阿朴. We can also name somebody using with one word in his or her name. Either it is a surname or one character in his or her given name. So you can also call somebody 阿寶 or 阿書, any character in his name. Okay? And then next one, 寶寶. Okay, let's listen to the recording. 第三題，我同朴寶書係朋友，佢有英文名，但係我哋叫佢寶書。第三題，我同朴寶書係朋友，佢有英文名，但係我哋叫佢寶書。Okay, what is the answer? 答案係咩啊？係 A, very good. I would like to discuss option D as well. 寶 is one character from 朴寶書's name, right? We may use duplications to name somebody. Means that choosing one character from his name or her name and then to duplicate it. However, 寶寶 here, actually, it means another things, which means baby. The first one is baby, right? The second one is a close addressing between couples. Okay, so you may call your boyfriends 寶寶. You may call your girlfriends as 寶寶 as well. So, or baby, okay, something like that. Okay, 得唔得？ Let's look into the script. 跟我讀一次。我同朴寶書係朋友，佢有英文名，但係我哋叫佢寶書。Okay, there's one word we didn't discuss yet, which is 但係。但係 means but. Okay? So, what did this sentence mean? 我同朴寶書係朋友。It is talking about your relationship between two people. 我 is I, right? 同 is an. Means that I and 朴寶書 are friend. So, this sentence is talking about the relationship. 朋友 is friend. 佢有英文名 He or she, right? 有 has 英文名 English name. So, he has English name. 但係 but 我哋叫佢寶書。我哋 means I and my friend as well. Our common friends. 我哋 so we call him 寶書。Okay? 得唔得？ It means that I and 朴寶書 are friends. He has English names, but we call him 寶書。OK， 第四題，邊句句子正確 ？A， 我有英文名，但係冇中文名。B， 我叫林家明。C， 大家都有中文名。D， 我想大家叫我俊仔。Okay? So, 邊句句子正確 means which sentence is correct, right? A, 我有英文名 it means I have an English name. 但係冇中文名 but I don't have a Chinese name. 我叫林家明 easy, right? My name is 林家明。大家都有中文名。大家 is everybody, right? 都 also or all of us 有 have 中文名 Chinese name. So there's two meanings. Everybody's have Chinese names too. Or all of us have Chinese name. Okay? D. 我想大家叫我俊仔。我 is I, right? 想 is wants to. Wants what? Everybody, 大家 call me 俊仔，叫我俊仔，得唔得？ Understand, right? So, let's listen to the recording. 第四題，大家有冇中文名㗎？我有㗎，叫李子俊，大家叫我俊仔得啦。好高興認識大家。第四題，大家有冇中文名㗎？我有㗎，叫李子俊，大家叫我俊仔得啦。好高興認識大家。So, what is the answer? 答案係咩啊？答案係 D。 Okay, let's look into the script. 跟我讀一次。大家有冇中文名㗎？我有㗎，叫李子俊。大家叫我俊仔得啦。好高興認識大家。大家有冇中文名㗎？大家 everybody, right? 有 means have, 冇 means don't have. 中文名 Chinese name. 加 is sentence final particles, so used to ask question about the fact. So 有冇 it form a yes no questions here. Means do everybody have Chinese name? 我有㗎，我 is I, right? 有 is have. So we drop the object because we know we are talking about Chinese name, so we can drop it. And this guy is sentence final particle, talking about the fact. Means I have a Chinese name. And then I give more information. 叫李子俊. My name is 李子俊. Or my Chinese name is 李子俊. 叫 is to call. 李子俊 the name. And then I say, 大家叫我俊仔得啦。得啦 is it is okay that something something. Okay what? Okay for everybody call me 俊仔. It is okay that all of you call me 俊仔。好高興認識大家。So, in last sharing, I told you, 好高興認識你 is nice to meet you. And we just replace the 你 as 大家。It means nice to meet everybody. Nice to meet all of you. Okay? 得唔得？好高興認識你，仲記唔記得啊？ How will you reprise this sentence? If somebody told you 好高興認識大家，我話好高興認識你。You may answer 我都係 Very good 我都係 Me too Right 得唔得？今日講完啦，下次見，記得 Like、Comment、Share 啊，拜拜。